Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Let's analyze the Nifty 50 chart to find out important levels for the next week. But along with that, we will discuss important commodity market, MCX market. Along with that, we'll share important data, important level for the silver also, gold, and important global market update. So let's first of all we'll share important commodity update from the commodity market. And as in MCX, the gold, silver last week were just skyrocketing every week, every single day, the new highs to high पे high. सो गोल्ड सिल्वर तो हर एक दिन एक नया हाई पे हाई बना रहा था लास्ट वीक. और लास्ट फ्राइडे आई विल शो यू इन द चार्ट ऑल्सो इन सिल्वर चार्ट. बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू कैन सी last Friday a big crash happened in even silver also, even in gold also. Even silver reached to a high of $120 per ounce. 120 अभी यहाँ पे 118 दिखा रहा है on Friday. And silver was down around 37% from its record high, all-time high. And even gold also reached beyond 5,500 around, and it also crashed more than 10 15%. So both white and yellow metal were just uh, so volatile in the market, MCX market. And like one day very high, but end of the week it was crashed. You can see here gold was around high, made the high of 5,500, इससे भी ऊपर गया था. But this day on Friday I'm showing it was around 5,500 dollar. And the low was 4,700. So from 5,500, say even on single day it made a low of 4,700 around, means almost $800 it was down gold. और यहाँ पे you can see more than 11% it was actually it was crashed. और सिल्वर को देखें तो सिल्वर वॉज एक्चुअली ऑन $118, which earlier on Thursday it touched the 4,20,000 in INR. I am telling it touched $120 per ounce on थर्सडे. तो सिल्वर ने $120 भी टच कर लिया था थर्सडे. और फ्राइडे इट वाज ऑन हाई ऑफ $118. लो was 75. मतलब you can see the crash. Even single day it crashed around I guess 27%. I will show in the chart where from 118 to $75 it reached. Means kitna, means I can say more than 37% it was down. You can see here 31%. 31% it was down on Friday. It crashed. And both commodity were like just so much volatile. और ब्रेंट ऑयल अगर हम क्विकली देखें तो इट टच द हाई ऑफ 70, बट इट अगेन रीच टू द लो ऑफ 67. तो ब्रेंट ऑयल इज माई जो लेवल था एक मेरा कंफर्टेबल लेवल वाज 70 ऑफ कोर्स. बट यस, नाउ इट इज आल्सो गिविंग, मीन्स राइजिंग. एंड 70 के ऊपर इट विल डेफिनेटली नॉट कंफर्टेबल प्राइस फॉर द एक्चुअली, स्पेशली कंसिडरिंग द इम्पोर्ट. तो $67 पर बैरल ब्रेंट ऑयल भी पहुंच चुका है. सिल्वर चार्ट, देन आई विल गो फॉर द निफ्टी 50 चार्ट. I will show you all what was happening in last week, and even especially only last 2 days, Thursday, Friday, what all happened. And you can see here on 29th of January, on Thursday, the silver made record high of 4,20,000. You can see here 4,20,000. और 4,20,000 से भी ऊपर 4,20,000 से फ्रॉम लो कितना, 3,50,000, 55,000, more than 70,000 jump in only one single day in silver on Thursday. तो थर्सडे को इसने इतना 70,000 का जंप लिया एंड टच द न्यू रिकॉर्ड हाई ऑफ 4,20,000. और suddenly in next day, means Friday, it was, means it crashed, the silver crashed, and it made, actually, if you see this candle, I don't know how big this candle, means it was down around 27%. It crashed 27% in one single day. If we calculate from the highest level to this lowest level of this candle, we can say only, means 37%, it was down only two 2 days, in within 2 days only. सो रिकॉर्ड हाई से अभी सिल्वर यहाँ पे है जो कि 37% का फॉल है. तो व्हाट नेक्स्ट, मीन्स ऑलरेडी सिल्वर क्रैश टू ऑलमोस्ट 37%. मीन्स अगर अपने इंडियन मार्केट में देखें तो इट इज़ 31% अराउंड. सो 31% क्रैश हो चुका है, जो कि एक बहुत ही अच्छी खासी फॉल है. So many investors might be waiting for the good correction in silver to get in to actually buy the silver. So they might be thinking now they can enter in the silver, but I will suggest still you have to wait for some time, because this volatility is not very good. And yes, you can definitely start a small chunk or an SIP, but whole investment in one shot, it is not advisable at all, because ये volatility is not safe. So yes, you can start a SIP, एक SIP शुरू कर सकते हैं. It's all your decision. So this all happened in silver. Even gold also crashed, reached to $5,500. Even अगर इंडियन रुपीज में क्या है तो even it has reached to 1,90,000 plus around gold, and from there it has also crashed and reached less than 1,80,000 per 10 ग्राम. तो गोल्ड में भी क्रैश हुआ है, सिल्वर में भी क्रैश हुआ है. यस, सिप स्टार्ट किया जा सकता है, बट स्टिल यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल, बिकॉज important event is tomorrow on Sunday, the union budget day, and for that our stock market is going to work. This video I am making before budget day, so this why I am saying this, because when I will upload this video, the budget will actually already will be there. Yesterday I posted a video for the uh, important sector we can look for budget that I have shared in my Saturday video in and Nifty Bank levels also. So you can go for that video to watch important sector what can be for the budget, and there is related stocks also. So you watch Saturday video also. Market will function on first Sunday on 1st February. Now सिल्वर आई हैव डिस्कस्ड इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल यही हो गया, जो कि है 4,20,000 का. और सपोर्ट तो अब मैं क्या ही बताऊं, बट यस दिस इज लुकिंग, ये 20 MA है, तो 20 MA को तो इसने ब्रेक कर दिया है. तो इट इज लुकिंग लाइक देयर मे बी मोर फॉल. अगर इफ इट्स नॉट टेकिंग रिवर्सल फ्रॉम हेयर, there may be more, we may see more fall also in silver and even in gold also. So please be careful in silver and gold, and watch what all happening on the chart also. And now let's discuss Nifty 50 quickly. And I have opened the chart, see what all happening from all time high, from 26,350. It's high, from high to this level where it has taken support of 24,930 या 900 कह सकते हैं around. Nifty 50 already fallen around 5%. From here to high to this low, it is already given a 5% correction. From here it has recovered very nicely. 200 EMA का सपोर्ट इसने बहुत दिनों से लिया हुआ है. Like you can see from here, this big candle, one, and here also it taken resistance, then again two, then here, okay, it has broken, and then again here taken resistance. और last 3 day अगर देखें तो Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, it has exactly taken support at 200 EMA. This red line is 200 EMA. So 200 EMA has become very, very important. After breaking this, yes, definitely the swing low of 24,900, or I can say 24,950 also around. And yes, but before that, if 200 EMA इसने ऊपर काफ़ी दिनों तक सस्टेन किया है, मीन्स एटलीस्ट 3 days और इवन बिफोर दैट ऑल्सो, so I can say this line, this EMA should not be broken. As यूनियन बजट भी आ ही चुका है, तो लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल हैपन. ऊपर के लेवल पे यहाँ पे ये बार बार रेजिस्टेंस ले रहा है, जो कि 25,450 अराउंड है. ये लेवल, ये लाइन आई हैव ड्रॉन. यू कैन सी हियर आल्सो इट हैज टेकन रेजिस्टेंस. हियर यहाँ पे इट हैज टेकन सपोर्ट, क्लोज्ड हियर अबव दिस लेवल. सो और यहाँ पे भी वी कैन सी. सो दिस resistance is looking very strong before this 20 MA line. This blue line is 20 MA. This red line is 200 MA. तो 200 MA का सपोर्ट है और 20 MA का रेजिस्टेंस है. उसके बीच में द निफ्टी 50 is consolidating. We have to watch next coming weeks that how many days it will consolidate it within this zone of 200 MA to 20 MA, or it is because of union budget or something good is coming. So what happening if it's breaking this 20 MA also. So we have to watch. If it's breaking, definitely the nifty 50 will come in a positive zone, and the next resistance will be the 25,900 around. We will say, we can say, but only we have to watch. First of all, we have to watch this 25,550 ये वाला level. 25,550 is looking is strong resistance, but because of the budget, I expect that it should break this resistance also. but उसके पहले तो ये 450 ही एक resistance है. So these 2-3 levels are very important for the budget day, Sunday 1st February, and even after the day of budget, even for the next week also. So overall 5% का करेक्शन ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, जहां वी कैन से लाइक अ वेरी गुड place for the investor, where they can go for a good fundamental stock for the long term, especially good sectors which I have mentioned in the yesterday video. Please watch, and you can plan for the SIP also, even in stocks also. So अभी तक तो मार्केट ठीक दिख रहा है. अगर जब तक इस लेवल के ऊपर है 200, दिस अबव द रेड लाइन, लॉन्ग टर्म मूविंग एवरेज, तब तक निफ्टी 50 इज of course in a good positive zone, but breaking this will be not advisable to actually invest, at least ट्रेडिंग के लिए तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं. उसके नीचे, यस, दिस इज द स्विंग लो सपोर्ट. So I have discussed, analyzed the overall this chart of Nifty 50 or important levels also. I will repeat the Nifty 50 important level again. Important support is 25,150 and then 24,950. Important resistance 25,450, then 25,550, and after breaking 25,550 it may reach to the 25,900 also. Be mindful with the silver and gold levels just I have mentioned in the starting. And yes, definitely be careful if you are investing in this volatile, especially volatile commodity market. And like and share with your friends this video so that they will be also aware with important updates. And subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. Signing off.